basic understanding about how you start developing a project management plan with the project charter, and then how would you tailor from an template, already available organization template, when you look at the project management plan as an output based on how PMBOK treats processes. So ideally project charter is one of the main inputs. Then you have outputs from all the other processes in the knowledge areas of PMBOK. Specifically when you say outputs, this should be plans for the different knowledge areas as well as the baselines. So if you revisit any of the templates, project management plan templates, you can easily find there are baselines out there and also the plans, which are the most important contents of a project management plan. You can find issue log, risk register, and all these milestone list also as some of the entries in the PM plan, but then these are, you can call, not a specific, I mean it's not, PMBOK doesn't treat these as an important entries within the project management plan. In other words, you tailor your PM plan based on your requirement. So somebody might hold milestone list as a project document, while somebody would make it part of the PM plan itself. Because issue log again is treated as a project document, which means that it will be a separate living document so that you can circulate it within the organization, while the PM plan again is a separate document which links to other project management plans and the baselines. So with that background, so PM plan again would have this other subsidiary plans or the knowledge area plans and also the baselines as the most important contents within. So project manager spends time building the plan through meetings, and he facilitates these meetings with different stakeholders. He uses his expert judgment to make the best decisions while he does the facilitation techniques. So these are some of the techniques that he follows during the planning phase. And the project management plan, since it has the baselines, it is used for the monitoring and controlling process to keep the project under control, to monitor if things are under control, and then make necessary changes in the process or ask for change control board intervention if something is going out of control or out of hands, or some baseline is going out of control. So with this background, let's quickly walk through the important points, or let's just walk through the inputs, tools and techniques, outputs for this particular process called develop project management plan. The develop project management plan is concerned with building the PM plan iteratively. Since PM plan is one of the initial documents that the project manager works on, it takes its inputs from the project charter. The PM plan also becomes input to all the planning processes wherein the subsidiary plans get created. Yeah, so when you see the processes in the PMBOK, you can easily see that all the planning processes, like for example, if you see the schedule planning process or the cost planning, it will have PM plan as the input, and the develop project management plan process as such has all these plans as input. So that means this process is iterative, or planning is itself iterative. As more information is available, the plan gets lot more clear and it is documented. So that's why it is iterative. So there is progressive elaboration involved in the whole process of planning. So the PM plan is one of the initial documents created by the project manager, because after initiating, and also since project charter is one of the inputs, the PM plan uses that input and builds the project management plan. So from high level details, you're trying to plan how to meet those high level details, or to make it, to get better clarity for each of those details specified by